So we're on the Viking Orion at the back of the ship. That's deck 7 down there with the infinity pool. I'm up on deck 8. We're going to walk from back to front, aft to forward. Steer the bow. Anyway, in there, hard to see. Maybe you can see now. That's the buffet down there. They have these nice couches everywhere, chairs. Those chairs would normally have cushions, but it's been raining today, so I guess they left them off or took them off, whatever. We are in the port of Dutch Harbor, which is on the island of Accomac. Say that right? In the Aleutian Islands. Just across the way there, that's the island of Unalaska. And I think the town is called Unalaska. But the port here is Dutch Harbor, and on ships' itineraries, they always list it as Dutch Harbor. So this is Dutch Harbor. Coming up to the smoking area here. It's on my left. It's the only smoking area on the ship. Viking ships don't allow anyone under 18, so there are no kids on board. Something's going on down there, because that's our cruise director talking, and they're showing an Australia coat of arms, so maybe all the Aussies are having a party that I wasn't invited to. I mean, not being Australian, right? I see some sushi though. Anyway, this is the retractable roof of the pool. It's closed today. Like I said, it's cold, about 55 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's been raining on and off, sprinkling anyway. So we're on deck 8. We're going to go up to deck 9 here and then try to drop down. This ship is about a year old. It first set sail last year, 2018. I'm not sure what month, so it could be more than a year, it could be less than a year. So that was shuffleboard. This is the putting green, and it's very hilly. I haven't tried it yet. It's been really windy. Our next stop after Dutch Harbor in the Aleutian Islands is Petropavlovsk, Russia. So we're headed to Russia now. It's going to take us like 3 or 4 days to get there though. But it's closer than you might think from where we are right now. It's not really that far away. And here we are in the back. I walked around it and didn't even say anything. Let's put this up here. So you can see the bow down there. They don't let people go out on that. They also have lawn bowling over here, or bocce ball. Ping pong, but that's a puddle on the table. And fun bags, which you might call cornhole. They call it bago, just so you know. Bago. See, normally there's cushions on all this stuff. By the way, these plants, not real. That's fine plastic. Grass too. Of course, that I would expect. And that's walking the top decks on the Viking Orion. By the way, they have a place for you to get water right out of there. So, pretty nice ship. Port monkeys out.